Yeah. Yeah. You can just appear sounding all sweet and squeaky. 5 minutes peace I wanted to have a bath. Did that happen? No, it didn't, did it? Very nearly came down and shoved your tail in your mouth to shut you up. However, I know what will shut you up. You're still hungry. Gwynny, you're always hungry. Oh, look, he does tricks. There you go. Go on. There's no need to get your claws out. There you go, darling. Oh, have a trouble. Come on. Go gently. Oh, sorry, sweetie. Come on then, Gobby. There you go. Put some in your dish, yeah? It's a good job you're so stinking cute, isn't it?